is my starter, Dottie. She's about 12 years old. And I'm going to show you how to make your very own Dottie today. A sourdough starter is basically a combination of flour, water, microorganisms or friendly bacteria, and wild yeast from the air that live together symbiotically. So if you start with this wide mouth 1 pint jar, they're perfect, good size. And I have about a half a cup of flour in there, whole wheat, rye, unbleached white flour. And I'm going to add enough water to that flour to create the texture of like a milkshake or a pancake batter. So I'm going to do it a little bit at a time so I get just the right viscosity. It's a good word. Just a little bit more. Cool. Yeah, there it is. Yay. Okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do, which is kind of crazy, is put a grape in here. So the white blush that's naturally occurs on a grape or a plum, that is wild yeast. And so that's going to attract the wild yeast from the air into the starter. Boom. And I'm going to cover it with like a cheesecloth and the band of the lid, or maybe like this guy. Very important. I'm also going to name this guy. Somebody you love, something you love, that's the name that should go on there. And then this little concoction needs to stay really warm, 78 to 82 degrees. And feeding instructions to get it to come to life and ideas for how to keep it warm, they're right in here.